It's the Manic Money Finance channel. You already know what time it is, right? This Crypto Corey. We're going through a market update. Didn't want to leave y'all hanging. Mike's a little busy, so I'm gonna come in and take over the show for today, and we're gonna keep you guys in the loop, right? First off, we got to make sure that the stream's running, everything's good, and we get the stream out to our followers, right? Boom. So it looks like, yep, we are live, right? So what's going on with the crypto markets, right? It's been going crazy. This whole week has been, the last couple weeks just been crazy. Y'all probably wondering why isn't Manic Money Finance going live? Well, been busy. So I'm gonna try to be a little bit more consistent with you guys because I enjoy doing this, and I know you guys enjoy me giving you the update, and it helps me out when I help you. So let's get it, right? Let's go look at what Bitcoin's doing. Jump right in the charts. Boom, right? What do we talk about? And what is it that we've been talking about since the beginning of this this channel, right? It's Bitcoin's in this massive cup and handle, right? We teach this pattern a lot. You got the cup and the handle right here. And you can measure this move, right? Because the market works on an algorithm. So you take the low, draw it from the high. You got the pole of the flag here. This is the flag. And you can take the pole and put it to the breakout point. This gives us our measured move. And currently, the measured move, and we've been talking about this, is $118,000 Bitcoin, right? We're anticipating this, right? This is how the measured move works. And if you've watched the other episodes, you've seen other episodes from the past, you know that I'm not just blowing smoke up your butt, right? I'm actually showing you what the professionals did. So Bitcoin broke out of that flag, right? You can even just say, oh, this is a bull flag, because really that's what a cup and handle is you kind of have like a rounded bottom with a bull flag here, right? You see it? And this is what we were anticipating. And it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. And then it was just brutal. Everybody was trying to trade in this range, just getting chopped up, lost a lot of money. Yours truly, right? But that's a game of trading, right? You gotta lose some money in the beginning, right? So yeah, that was brutal. We finally broke out of the range. And that is what I'm so excited about, right? And you should be excited too. When we broke out of this flag, it was go time, right? And you saw how price has been moving the last couple weeks. It's been insane, crazy, like easy, so easy to make money right now. Like this is the easiest time to make money. And a lot of my students who are doing very well, they up 30, 40K, some of them. So God bless them. I owe a lot of God has really blessed us on this bull run. That is for sure. And it's just going to keep getting better, So yeah, the monthly looking bullish, super bullish, right? I love the way this is looking right now. Let's drop down in the daily, right? And what do we see right off the bat on the daily? Almost as if there's another bull flag printing right here, right? We can project this bull flag. Could do something like this, and pop out of here again. I don't like how far it is away from the 21. See how far price action is from the 21? That tells me that we either need to go sideways until the 21 comes up to touch price action, or we drop back down to touch 21 and we continue to go. Those are the scenarios. Either way, what's going to happen? It's definitely going to happen for sure. Price needs to touch this 21 before it continues. That's just a given. This channel, I teach a lot about the moving averages, crossovers. This is a great way to see, oh, am I gambling? Am I in overbought? Am I oversold? Right? This is what I teach. So look at how on the daily, once we got that golden cross, right? Exactly what I teach. See how the 200 was above the 21, and then the 21 blasted, it crossed through the 200. Now the 21's above the 200, the yellow line there. And instantly price responded. It said, "Yep, it's time." All right. It's time. Back here, it came close, right? It touched and kind of faked us out and it came back up. Then we had the death cross, faked everybody out, right? And then check this out. People who are trading this flag right here, they see this massive flag. Where did they put their stop loss? Right? They, where did the books tell them to put the stop loss? Right under here, right under this little flag. See it? The little bull flag. See it? So traders from back here, they put their stop loss right on that bull flag. Can you guess what the market did? Boom. See that wick? Boom. And we talked about that. Took those stop losses, right? So after it took the stop losses, what happened? When it pulled from that low to the high. Oh, Corey, don't tell me that price went to the 786 again. Oh, yeah, this is just buying and selling pressure. There's just, no way it's just that accurate. Come on. To the freaking, come on, look at it. Would you look at it? So, this is the model, right? This is what we teach on this channel. We teach the moving average crossover, right? But we want to see, this is the other model, right? And we get this from ICT. We want to see a raid on liquidity. We want to see stop losses get taken in a violent, quick, fast movement. And that's what we got here on that wick. See it? After this, it bounced right back up. Where is our entry? Well, it's a 786, right? We're looking for a market structure shift, right? Which is, boom, right here, right? And then a retracement to the 786. Boom. You set your limit order right there. You're in right there. And what happened? It just took off. It just took off from there. If you bought that 786, congratulations, right? That is mint. This is what we are looking for. This is what I'm talking about, an algorithmic price delivery, right? There is no possible way. I challenge you on this. There is no possible way it's this perfect. No way. Unless, no, there is no unless. There's no way that this is happening from buying and selling pressure. This is the big guys stealing your money. Let me say it again. This is the big hedge funds, the money market makers, right? This is them taking your money. This is inducing people to go short, and then it rips off in the other direction just to tear their faces off. This happens time and time again. Price is fractal. It not only happens on the daily, it happens on the 15-minute, happens 7-minute, down to the 1 minute, to 30-second, to the 1 second. It starts in the 1 second and it works its way up from the higher time frames there. Okay? You get what I'm putting out? So we're looking for the market structure shift, retracement to the 786. This is our entry. Boom, right? As soon as we get above that 200, stop loss, break even. Now you have zero risk in the trade. You have no risk. And we got the golden cross. Boom, right? It was go time. It was go time from there. Let's go back to the other golden cross. See, right? Oh, it happened here too, right? See it? The moving averages crossed over each other and it ripped, massively ripped to the upside, right? You can trade this simple indicator. This is a 21, the 200. You can just trade this indicator on the daily and oh my goodness. I tell you, just put a trade as soon as you see these two lines cross, and then boom, you get paid. That's it. It's that easy. Another one back here. Look, a crossover, not as violent as this one, right? But it's still moved up, right? So look at another one. Look at this. This was dirty. This is a dirty one. See it cross over and fake people out, stopped them out, and then ripped up. Yeah, that I could see that was a frustrating one. Back here, right? This is back in 2020. We had the golden cross again, right? On the daily time frame. Make sure you're in the daily, right? And it ripped. It massively tore people's faces off. Everybody was going short. They got wrecked. Right. All right, so let's check it out. Let's get down into the shorter time frames. What's going on for Bitcoin? Where is things going? Right. I already told you what the daily looks like. Right. It's a little far from that 21, but we are in a bull market right now. We are seeing some massive upside movement. So a lot of the rules they start going out the window. Right. So your strategies are going to need to change. Right. We have to adapt as a trader. Right. We can't just stay the same. You have to be able to change your mindset like that because this can move very quickly. And it'll just leave you behind. So right off the bat, I kind of see this shoulder, head, right shoulder, which would be, a head and shoulders pattern, which would bring us to the downside. Right? What is the head and shoulders pattern? Really, it's like kind of a bear flag that once it breaks, it's just gonna continue to the downside there. So yeah, I see the 1 hour. We're overbought here. I want to give we either need to go sideways or price needs to pull back to touch that 21. That's what I'm seeing. We had some massive movements these last couple of weeks, so it's not realistic to think that this thing can just keep going up forever, But yeah, Bitcoin, still looking bullish. I'm out of the trades right now. I'm waiting for a pullback, right? I'm waiting for my model, and we can hopefully get some more upside. But as of right now, I'm just taking money off the top of my cryptos. Let's go through some of the cryptos that I called out this week that did pretty good, right? And some of the stuff that was brought to my attention as well. So I want to give you some altcoins, something that I'm personally invested in currently right now. I'm looking for a small scalp. So let's get into this, huh? XRP, right? How about that XRP? It was just going sideways forever. And now what? Oh my goodness, over $1. How is this possible? No, it's the bull run. Did you get in on XRP? Make sure you hit that like button. Let me know what you got in on. How much did you get? Where did you get in? Come on. Let us know in the comments. But yeah, XRP looking absolutely insane, blowing up, right? We got this parabola going on here. And this is what we like to see, that curve to the upside, right? Awesome stuff. XRP did some amazing. It did damage this week for sure, right? XRP. Let's look at how about this one, Cardano. Oh, you didn't expect me to bring that up, right? Everybody hating on Cardano for so long, and then all of a sudden, boom! I see Cardano. Let's look at this one, right? We got a bull flag right here, right? Let's look at the measured move for the bull flag. Oh, don't tell me it went right exactly to the measured move, Corey. No way. Yeah, went to the measured move and pulled back. That's why people took their money. And guess what? I see this continuing. I see this continuing to keep going because look, we got another bull flag right here. We can keep doing this all day, right? And we can keep playing the flags until they fail. And that's what we do. Target out of this flag is $1 for Cardano. Put that in, right? We'll come back next week and see if we hit the target. It might take a week, it might take 2 weeks, it might take a little longer, but Cardano is going to $1. I'm almost certain. So let's get into another one. What's going on here for Bohm. I think I gave this one out a few podcasts ago, and it's just like everything. It's been doing good, right? Not as good as XRP, but look at this formation and see how it's changed, and we have this rounded bottom almost, right? And you have like almost like a descending wedge over here. And what's the target for a descending wedge? Well, that's back up to the place of origin, which would be 0.028 cents, right? That would be you double your money, over double your money from where it's at currently. That's boom, right? Let's keep it going, right? Let's give you some new stuff, right? Let's give you some new stuff. I just made a trade on this one the other day. Goldfinch. You can get this one on Coinbase. So this one's easy to buy. You don't have to go and do all this crazy Web3 DEX kind of stuff and make your head spin. If you don't like that, well, just go on Coinbase and check out GFI. That's Goldfinch. This is a real world asset. So this is one of those coins that have the hype going on. So we had real world assets in this cycle. We have gaming tokens and we have AI tokens. These are the big narratives of this bull cycle. So we're going to jump onto these projects because, well, they like to move, Let's pull up another one for y'all. I want to make sure I get you this gaming token that was brought to my attention this was beginning a week, I think on Monday or so, and it's called Zentry, right? Let's get you on this gaming token. This is my gaming token play, right? I see this one. I see it going. I see it doing some damage. It's a new one too, so really we could see this thing take off like a rocket, right? Let's look it up real quick so you can see the market cap. Zentry, it's Zent, and it's number 350 right now, right? Look at $131 market cap. So we can do the math. If this goes to a $500 million market cap, which is not too far-fetched, a lot of cryptos do it. You're talking about almost a 5x. So there's a lot of potential in this one. Check out the markets you can get on Uniswap, right? So you're going to need some Ethereum to get it, right? If you know how to Web3 and get in on this project, right? Because it's really not, you can get on MEXC, but it's really not on the big exchanges. And if it gets listed on the big exchanges, well, you know what happens. That's just, price. That's what it does, okay? At Zentry, make sure you note that one. Put it into your notes, right? I want to give you, I think I just had it pulled up too, another AI coin since we're talking about big narratives this cycle. PAL AI, right? This is looking like it's promising, right? High risk. I'd be very careful. I wouldn't put my whole life savings into it, but like once again, I'm giving you another AI coin that only has $100 million market cap right now. If you know the crypto space, you know the gold I'm handing to you right now, you're almost probably falling out of your chair. $100 million market cap for an AI coin that no one really knows about yet. Crypto, Corey, what are you doing? You shouldn't be giving this stuff away for free. Well, guess what? I love all you guys and I want to help you out. And that's why I'm showing this stuff to you, right? I had to pay money to find this, right? So I'm giving you the stuff that I receive in my trading group. So, it's your choice to do what you want with it, but this is the information I'm getting and I'm relaying it to you. So do with what you like, do it, have fun with it. So I'm going to give you one more. I don't want to give away too much, right? I got a lot and I could keep going and do this all night, but I'm going to give you one more, right? And you're going to have to keep watching the podcast. You're going to have to keep watching the show because I'm going to give you these coins every time we go live, right? I'm going to give them to you. And you can pretty much expect them to get you paid, especially in price action right now. So Ponky is the meme coin. I might give you one more after this. Yeah, I'll give you one more. So check out Ponky, right? I see this one as a new meme, kind of newish, not super new, but I could see this one doing damage. You get out Radium. It's a Solana meme coin, so you need some Solana to get it, right? Go on to Radium and do the swap. See, look at this. Ponky has a $332 million market cap. So this is already 3 times the size of the coins that I just showed you. And this is a meme coin. So you know how it is. The meme coins have been doing crazy stuff, right? This is the last one, all right? And make sure you note it down. It's called Bobo, right? It's a meme coin, super high risk, right? I wouldn't count on anything. This is gambling. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, this is gambling. Doing the meme coins and this is gambling, right? And as long as you accept that, you know what you're doing, well, then have fun with it. But don't come to me and be like, "Oh, crypto core, you gave me Bobo and it crashed. It was a rug pull." Well, guess what? That's crypto. You didn't have risk management. You didn't have a strategy. You didn't have an exit strategy. What? I can't help you at that point, right? But I'm putting these out because I know how much y'all, especially the people here who have experience, who've been through a cycle or two, they know how to do this. They know when it's time to take the money, right? We're not going to get greedy. And yeah, this thing could 10, 20x. And if I took my 30%, I'm happy, right? I'm not going to focus and sit there. Oh, if I had just held, I would have had this amount of money. No, doing that to yourself is just horrible. Like, you're just mentally abusing yourself. Don't do that. Don't think the woulda, coulda, shoulda stuff, right? Just focus on what you need to do now, what you need to do next day, right? Get everything in order. That's all I got to say. You got to get your together. You know what I'm saying? It takes some time. It took me some time. I still make mistakes constantly. I'm not perfect. I still lose money, right? I'm crypto core. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I still lose money to this day, but guess what? I have a risk management strategy and I know when to call it. I know when to walk away, right? And that's a big thing. You got to know when to walk away. So yeah, the crypto market looks crazy, right? Bobo. Forgot that I wasn't on coin market cap there. So yeah, Bobo right here. And yeah, the other one, Zentry. Yeah, we showed you that. That was the one. And Ponky. Yeah, make sure you get that one down there. Ponky, I see this one doing good. Right, let's see. Let's give you a target for Ponky here, which would be the bull flag right here. See it? Ponky. See, it didn't go all the way to target, so I can still see this being on the table at 86 cents, right? And it's currently 60 cents. Ponky right there. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, we covered a lot of stuff. I know it's not like we're going for hours here, but I really wanted to give you guys an update because the market's been going crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, send in a comment. Let me know if you have any questions because I go through the comments later, and if you have a question, I'm going to answer it. So, all right, it's Saturday night. I'm going to go and probably buy a pizza. It is what it is. I'm going to go chill. I took my money. I paid all my credit cards off. I feel real good. So I took a giant chunk of money out of the crypto markets, right? And I'm just loving life right now. And I still have a good amount in there. But right now, I mean, I'm not going to try to catch the whole move. We could go to $200,000, but did I double my money? Did I triple my money? Did I quadruple my money? These are the things you need to be asking yourself. And it's unrealistic to expect that you're going to catch this full move. It's so hard to buy the bottom, and it's just as hard to sell the top. Nothing is easy in this game, right? You cannot get greedy, right? You need to be grateful. and be content. That's all. That's what I'm going to leave with you here today. The way you succeed in trading the crypto in any commodity, any security, derivative, asset, whatever it is, the way to succeed is to be content and not be greedy. With that, I'm going to leave you guys. All right. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys. Peace out.